Hey guys, in this video we are reviewing the page pilots. Is it still worth it in 2026 or not? So, Page Pilots is an AI-powered Shopify landing page builder that turns products URLs from sites like AliExpress, Amazon, Shein, or Shopify into conversion-focused products pages. It also includes AI image generation, ad copy creation templates, and a drag and drop editor. So, it can basically generate products pages from products URL. It creates some AI generates like products images, generates product description and ad copy, publish the pages directly to Shopify, and supports over 30 languages. The main features is basically what we said before, plus the on-page SEO tools, Shopify integration, daily winning product suggestions, and even professional landing pages templates. For the pricing, if you are interested, they do have three plans: light, starter, and scaler. And of course, if you pay yearly, you get 2 months for free, so you'll see the price difference in there. If you are interested about the full benefits, you can pause the video and read it all from here, depending on the price that you like. So here's the price monthly as well. So is it still worth it in 2026? Page Pilots is basically designed for Shopify store owners, drop shippers, and e-commerce agencies, and also anyone who wants to launch a products page quickly. Independent reviewers generally agree that its biggest strength is the speed of creation and first drafts of a Shopify landing page. They also note that stores seeking highly customized design or advanced conversion optimization basically may eventually outgrow the AI generated templates. And a lot of people have some questions like, does it work with Shopify? Yes, of course it does. Can you customize the generated pages? Yes, of course, you can edit the text, images, layouts, and sections using the built-in drag and drop editor before publishing it. And of course, a lot of people ask, they do have a free trial, so I can try it before paying or something like that. PagePilot offers a free trial without requiring a credit card. However, you will need a paid subscription to publish the pages to Shopify. So, PagePilot is an AI-powered Shopify landing page builder that basically helps merchants create products pages, AI images, and marketing copy in minutes. So if your goal is to launch Shopify products pages quickly with minimal manual work, it provides a fast, beginner-friendly workflow while still allowing you to customize pages before publishing it. So is it worth it or not? I'll let you answer the question depending on the pros of it. And does it fit what you want or not? Leave down in the comments below if it's worth it for you or not, and I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.